Hello Junior 4 students, how are you? Welcome to your science class. As now we will study lesson 4 from concept to unit 2. This is me, Shaimaa Hamdy, and you are watching the Big Sister channel, so don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and press the bell button to get all the new notifications. As now we will start activity 9, which has the title Big City Environmental Problems. Okay, as in this activity we will know the negative impacts of the fossil fuels, as when we burn the fossil fuels it produces a huge amount of carbon dioxide gas, as you see here, and this make a negative impact, negative effect. Okay, as in big cities like that, the people's needs increase, as in the big city it has a large population of people. Yes, you know, a lot of people live in a big city, so their needs increase, as their industrial and agricultural activities cause pollution problems around the world. Industrial activities means what, you know? Yes, factories. Yes, so they need more factories, industrial activities to get products, okay, to get the products they need. Okay, and agricultural activities like, yes, farms, yeah, and fields, and these to get food, yes, vegetables and fruits. Okay, so the word industrial come from industry, and we can easily write this word as we have in, the, us, das, t, re, industry, then we have al, industrial. Okay, and agricultural activities come from agriculture, and we can easily write this word as ag, then we have re, agri, k, al, cul, agricul, then we have, you know, t-u-r-e, make the sound chur, and if we put instead of the last e al, so it's adjective and it pronounced as trull, chur, al, trull. So we have agricultural. Okay, so these industrial and agricultural activities cause pollution in the big city. How? And we will take examples as what in the factories. Yes, what happens? There is a lot of smog, okay, like smoke coming from burning of fuels, and this pollutes the air. Okay, this is the first example. And also the chemicals that used in the factories, okay, cause the pollution of air and water and soil. Okay, so this is the causes of pollution from the industrial activities, as smoke coming from burning fuels pollute the air, and the chemicals that used in the factories causes the pollution for air, water, and soil. Okay, chemicals means substance that used in the factories. Okay, they cause pollution of air, water, and soil. To know how it pollutes soil and water, as the waste from these chemicals may cause pollution in the water and in the soil. Okay, this is how the industrial activities cause the pollution, of the big cities. Also, agricultural activities cause pollution, as you know, pesticides. Yes, pesticides, and this is a substance that the farmer put to the plant to kill the insects, that harms the plant. These pesticides is very harmful for the human and animals. And these pesticides that used in farms can be carried into water, canal or river when the rain falls. When the rain falls on this farm, it carries these pesticide in the water to the water canal and river, and this causes pollution for the soil and water. So here the causes of pollution in the big city by the industrial activities as what? As the smog that comes from the burning fuels. This is pollute the air, and the chemicals that used in the factories pollute the air and water and soil, as these waste pollutes the water and soil. And for the agricultural activities that cause pollution as what? As the pesticides that used in farms can be carried by the rain to the canals and rivers, and these harm other living organisms as they pollute the soil and water. What is the effects or impacts of pollution, of air pollution on the human health? We now talk about the effect of the air pollution on the human health, as air pollution can cause what? Lung irritation and eyes irritation. Irritation means what? It means pain and redness, as eye irritation means when the eye is red and the person feels pain in his eyes. So here the word irritation, we have ir, then we have irritation. And this means pain and redness. As here scientists have found that the smog that comes from burning fuels, in factories or in electrical power station, is full of small particles that the human breathe in. These small particles irritate the lungs, causes pain in the lungs, causing what? The damage of the tissues of respiratory system. Damage means destroy. These small particles irritate the lung and causes damage in the tissues of respiratory system. Here to see, if you magnify the lung, you will see the tissues that consist the lung. And as you see here, this is damage in the tissues of the lung. It's very painful, and it negatively affect the human health. Now we will start activity 10, burning fossil fuels and pollution. As burning fossil fuels pollute the environment, as we know. And also, we know the uses of the fossil fuels, as we use fuels in all the main of transportations as train, as here the fuel is burning in the engine, okay, and it produces thermal energy that causes the train to move. And also this happens in car, in ship, or any vehicle, okay. So here one use for the fossil fuels, okay, that's very important. Also we use fossil fuels in generating electricity, yes, as also burning the fossil fuels produces thermal energy that use in what? Yes, heating water, and the steam causes the turbine to move and the generator turns on, and here we get the electrical energy that we use in houses for lighting and in school, also hospitals, and to generate many devices, okay, as televisions and appliances, and to operate the devices in factories, okay, and in hospitals. It has devices that are very important to be operated. So fossil fuels have many uses in our life, yes. Okay, as we see here, electricity is generated by burning the fossil fuels as coal, oil, and natural gas, okay, and the generated electricity is transferred to different places through electric wires, yes. And we use this electricity, as we mentioned, in schools, in hospitals, in homes, in operating devices, everywhere, okay. But burning fuels is harmful, okay. Now we will know the harms of burning fossil fuels on the environment. As burning coal and oil produces what? Yes, this smog is carbon dioxide gas, okay, which causes two main problems on the environment, okay. So burning coal and oil produces what? Carbon dioxide gas that cause problems, okay. The first problem we have called acid rain, okay, and acid rain means when the carbon dioxide gas combine with the water that found in the air, as there is water in the air that returns back to the earth as form of rain, and when these carbon dioxide gas combine with this water, what happens? The carbon dioxide change this water into acid rain, okay, and as this water have carbon dioxide combining with it, and this make the rain will be harmful here, as acid rain causes many problems. As what? Yes, this rain, if it falls on plants, it causes the death of trees, as combining carbon dioxide with water make the rain to be harmful, okay, for all living organisms, as this will harm the trees and cause death for the trees. Also, it will change the chemical nature of the soil, as this acid rain, when it falls on the soil, it will change the chemical nature of the soil, as this is not a natural water, it's water that combined with carbon dioxide, and this is called acid rain. So it will harm the soil, okay, and harm the trees. Also, if this acid rain falls on lakes, it will harm the fish in these lakes and cause them to die. It will kill the fish also and change the chemical nature of the lake, okay, because it is not a natural water, okay, it's acid rain, okay. And also this acid rain causes what? Dissolving some rocks, and maybe some rocks in buildings. Okay, dissolving means what? The rock will become smaller because part of this rock will go with the water, this acid water. Okay, so this is the harmful of the acid rains. As we said, acid rains leads to the death of trees, change in the chemical nature of lakes, and kills the fish. Also, it changes the chemical nature of soils. Okay, and the last one is dissolving some rocks, including the rocks of buildings. Okay, as this dissolving makes the rocks, yes, weaker. Okay, as part of these rocks goes with these acid rains. Okay, so we said that burning fossil fuels on the environment cause two problems. The first one, acid rain, as the carbon dioxide go, yes, and combine with water and forms acid rain, and we discussed the three harmful effects of the acid rains. The second problem of burning fossil fuels is what? Global warming. And I want you to know global comes from the word globe, and globe means world. And we know the word warming, yes? So here we means that the globe or the world becomes warmer or hotter as it, yes, we have increase in the temperature. Okay, why this happens? That's what we will discuss now. As increasing in the amount of carbon dioxide gas in air, okay, forms a layer. Okay, these layers traps heat on earth. What's the meaning of traps heat on earth? Yes, make the heat stay on earth. Okay, doesn't escape into the space. Okay, so here when the heat is trapped on earth, what will happen? Yes, it causes a slow rise or raise or increase in the earth's temperature. Okay, and this what we call it global warming. Okay, now I want you to tell me what is the acid rain. Define the acid rain. Yes, it is a type of rain that is formed when carbon dioxide gas combines with water in the air. Very nice, very good. Okay, so this is the acid rain. It's a type of rain that it is formed when carbon dioxide gas combines with water in the air. Okay, what about the global warming? Can you tell me what is the global warming? Yes, it is a phenomenon, and the word feminine here means fact that can be observed. We can see this fact. The plural from phenomenon is phenomena. Okay, and the word phenomenon is very easy. We have ph make the sound f, so we have f, no, so we have phi, no, then we have men, phenomenon, on, so we have phenomenon. Okay, and global warming, it is a phenomenon in which earth temperature increases when carbon dioxide gas increases in the air. Okay, so it's a phenomenon in which the earth temperature rise or increase, okay, when carbon dioxide gas increases in the air. So well done, junior 4 students. So the question here, because acid rains and global warming are harmful and these are problems. Okay, so we want to reduce these two problems, the acid rain and global warming. Yes, it starts from us to reduce our usage of energy, because these problems comes from, yes, the fossil fuels burning. So if we reduce our usage of energy, the amount of burning fossil fuels will decrease. Yes, and then the amount of carbon dioxide and other pollutants in the air which we breathe in will decrease also, as if we reduce our usage of energy, so this causes what the amount of burning fuels will decrease, and because the burning fuels causes the carbon dioxide problem, so this, by reducing the fossil fuels burning, so the carbon dioxide also will decrease in the air. Okay, and the word pollutants means the thing that pollutes, which causes pollutions. As with carbon dioxide, there are other pollutants which are gases also. Okay, but now we concern our talk about carbon dioxide. Okay, as conserving energy, not only to reduce air pollution, but when we conserve our use from energy, we will conserve non-renewable fossil fuels, okay, as we protect the non-renewable fossil fuels from running out, and also we keep earth clean, as there isn't a lot of carbon dioxide in the air, as you see here. Okay, so by conserving energy, we reduce air pollution, we conserve non-renewable fossil fuels, and keep earth clean. Okay, as we will have a not large amount of carbon dioxide in the air. Okay, with this we finish this activity. We will start activity 11. It's about conserving fossil fuels. How to conserve fossil fuels to get the earth clean and to reduce the air pollution. Okay, as we know, we should conserve the fossil fuels because they are formed over millions of years. So fossil fuels can't be replaced as quickly as we use them. Yes, and there is a limited amount of fossil fuels available on Earth. What the meaning? That there is not large amount of fossil fuels on Earth that are found on Earth. Okay, so limited amount means not a large amount, and available means found. Okay, also as they will run out if we don't reduce using them. Okay, so we need to know ways to conserve fossil fuels. Can you tell me some ways to conserve the fossil fuels? Yes, as walking or riding bicycles instead of vehicles that, yes, moves by burning fossil fuels. Yes, also we can turn off lights if we don't need this light. Okay, and by using renewable resources of energy, as these resources can be replaced. Okay, as what? Solar energy, you know, by solar panels. Yes, as these solar panels take the solar energy and convert it into electricity. Yes, also by wind energy, and the energy comes from the water, which is hydro power. Okay, those are renewable resources of energy. Okay, as fossil fuels have these advantages. What's the meaning of these advantages? Yes, bad effects. Okay, so what is the disadvantages of using fossil fuels to produce energy? As we know, they are burned and release gases that cause the air pollution. Yes, and global warming, as they trap heat. Okay, don't allow the heat to escape into the space, so they trap heat in the atmosphere, causing the global warming, which raises the temperature on Earth and change the climate, as when the temperature increases on Earth, so there will be change in the climate. Yes. And what the meaning of atmosphere? Yes, the air around the Earth called atmosphere. Atmosphere. Okay. So these are the disadvantages of using fossil fuels to get energy. And we can use renewable resources of energy instead of these fossil fuels energy. As what we mentioned, solar energy, wind, and water. As water has name hydropower. Okay? When we use these renewable resources, that means that our resources can't be run out, as these resources will be replaced quickly as we use them. Okay? Also, these resources will not raise the temperature of Earth, as they don't cause the global warming. Okay? But here we have a problem for the renewable resources of energy, that to get energy from them, it costs a lot of money, as it is very expensive. Okay? Okay. So the problem here to use the renewable resources, that it is very expensive. Here we will start lesson 5. It is just for fun, as we will play sorting. Okay, as we have here some resources of energies and we will sort them into 2 groups. Can you help me to sort these resources of energies into 2 groups? Okay, let's start. As we have here solar energy, charcoal, oil, water, coal, natural gas, wood, gasoline, and wind energy. So we can sort them into 2 groups. Yes, renewable resources and non-renewable resources. As the renewable resources like what? Solar energy, yes, charcoal because it's made from wood and wood is biofuel, which is, yes, renewable resource of energy. Yes. Also we have water, wood, and wind energy. Okay, and the other, which are oil, coal, natural gas, and gasoline, these are non-renewable resources of energy. Yes, well done, Junior 4 students. We have here renewable resources of energy, solar energy, water, wood, wind energy, and charcoal. And non-renewable resources of energy, oil, natural gas, coal, gasoline. So with this, we finish our lesson. So I hope it was useful. Thank you for watching. See you next video inshallah, and goodbye.